Okay, so this is the brake clean. It's fluid, then acetone, then alcohol. So I soaked the parts after being wrapped like this. It's a copper wire. That's a 40 caliber. Soaked them in there. Soaked them in the acetone. Let them soak for about 2 minutes tops in the acetone, in the alcohol, sorry. Then I came over to my homemade copper coating system. So I got a positive. It runs down through to a clean copper pipe, and it looks black, and probably because it is, it's removing copper off of that. And then I hung those, which this copper wire runs all the way through, this top copper wire. I hung those ones like this off of that, and this is what I got. Okay, copper coated, not copper coated. I don't know if you can see that difference. It's pretty huge. For bullets, it's called electroplating. So I'll put this in there a little bit longer so it's through the solution. Don't touch. You don't want to touch the bottom because that's the positive, and it's a battery. And I'm running it on a cheap 1 amp, but on 6 volt. I can go switch it over to 12 volts, and it just it works as good, but I think the slower penetration on the 6 volt with the 1 amp plugged in, it works a little, how would I say, a deeper penetration. And the sacrificial piece of copper, as you can see on the bottom, so over time that bottom pipe is removing the copper and is spreading it through the copper sulfate, and it's connecting itself to the material on the negative side. So positive out, negative in. And that's what's happening here. See, here's another one I'll pull out. And it's copper coated. Trying to turn it. And if it focuses, so it's a copper coated lead projectile. By doing that, you want to make sure, oh, this one looks like it's not deep enough. Maybe it is. Find it. You don't want to touch. There we go. It's a little deeper over there. You don't want to touch the copper piping. Now, this blue solution, again, is root kill 99% copper sulfate. And what that does is it allows the transfer chemical reaction to happen between one and the other. And again, I'm only running it 6 volts. Remember, positive runs down through in the water to a sacrificial plate or sacrificial piece of copper. Then the negative, I just ran a loop all the way through and all the way around so I can hang what I need on there, and it transfers the copper. Copper plated bullets, lead copper plated bullets. There you go. Again, before and after. I hope you enjoy. Try it. It really works. And it's very easy to do.